and it is our responsibility. Specifically, we are in the management and we are responsible for managing safety, beginning from implementation, identification. As you know that the major cause of the incidents are having two scenarios. One is unsafe action and second is unsafe condition. Sometimes people say substandard act and substandard condition. So it is our responsibility to see if something wrong, some unsafe conditions are there or unsafe actions are there. So we must intervene so that we can correct the unsafe conditions and we can improve the unsafe actions. If in case we are not able to modify or correct the situation, we must report into the incident reporting management system so that this can be corrected before it comes for near misses as well as it goes for the actual incidents. So guys, this is from my side about the safety moment. If somebody wants to add something, so please feel free to add. Guys, this is the agenda for next 4 days. We will start the session at 9, and of course we will go up to 4:30, so that we can see a reasonable number of alarm for rationalization. I propose one tea break before the lunch, and that should be around 10:30 to 11 o'clock UA time, and then we can have a lunch break. So lunch break is 12:30 to 1:45. So guys, any opinion about the lunch break? Any timing opinion? Khalid and operation team, site team. Anybody from site? Walid?
We have Abhilash here on the side.
Okay. So Abhilash, I think we will go for this break. If you have some suggestions, so you can let me know.
This is okay because majority people are from not
Oh,
from site. Because for us, after 2 only we are having the break, lunch break.
oh, okay, Abhilash. Thank
So
you.
that
Thank
will
you.
be difficult here.
Yeah, sure. So guys, since we are very small team, we are hardly 4 or 5 people. So we are a small family. So anytime you wish that we are concentrated, we are not able to, contribute. So we can have small break and micro break anytime. So everybody has right to raise the hand and we can go for the break. Okay, guys. So now I will request process team to explain the scope in terms of process. See, I was the part of HAZOP for train 6, and I have gone through entire train 6, beginning from the slide catcher.
Train
First
9.
yeah, yeah.
We are train 9.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just explaining. I was
Okay.
part of train 6, but I was not the part of train 9. So train 6, I have gone for the, slide catcher, first separator, second separator, then the different processes. But I'm not very familiar about the scope of train 9. So can someone please, explain the PFD, process flow diagram? What are the basic processes? But I feel this is more or less same. You have select catcher, you may have primary separator, secondary separator, and FST and everything. So can someone please take a control and